Hello, Bakomas. Have you seen renovation videos just like this? Or maybe you see people planting like gardens, flowers, and renovating and making them looking so pretty. And you've been wondering how they do these things. I'm going to show you the easiest way you can start using AI and creating things like this. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can use this to make money on the online space. So the first thing I want you to do is to go to ChatGPT. And when you come here to ChatGPT, come here, you can use the free ChatGPT to do this. Come here where it says explore GPTs. Go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to bring so many different GPTs like this. So when you come here, go ahead and type floor transformation. So I'm going to be showing you this as an example, and you can use this idea to create any type that you want. You can use AI to do anything over commands. So now when you click there, it brings you here. You see where it says start chat, go ahead and click on this start chat. And then it also opens this. Then go ahead and click on this one that says start. Now it brings out something like this. Look at what has happened over comma. It has given us 10 different things that we can start creating now. This is the easiest way that I'm showing you how to create these things. Go ahead and choose any one that you like. Let's say, for example, we are going to take one. I'm just going to click one here. So I'm taking one which is renovating a kitchen. So now what will happen is that ChatGPT is going to go ahead, is going to give us prompts that we are going to use to be able to create a kitchen from the beginning, and then we are going to renovate it and then bring it to that final product. So I'll walk you through step by step how to do all of it. Now, these are all the prompts that we have. So these are 4 different stages, and then it's also giving us 4 different video prompts. So these are the ones we are going to use to create the videos. So overcomers, you can still go ahead. If you want more, you can go ahead and just add the prompt here and ask ChatGPT to do more. If you want to change anything, you can also go ahead and just put it here and change it. And then it's going to make it to the standard that you want. So I'm just showing you the formula and the easiest way for you to do it. So now go ahead and come here, copy this first prompt. Just go ahead and copy the first prompt like this. And now what we are going to do here is that we are going to go to OpenArt. So I'm going to put a link down below if you don't have it, or you just go and type OpenArt. Type OpenArt like this, and then it's going to bring you here. So when you come here, you are going to create an account if you don't have an account yet. So when you come here, these are different things that you can use OpenArt to do. So we want to do image. So you can just go ahead and click here to where it says create image. So what I want you to do is that you come here, just click here on these models. You are going to see so many different models that you can use. Let's go ahead and use Nano Banana. Nano Banana is very good. It creates very good images. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste our prompt here. So when I paste the prompt here, you can decide how many images that you want. The more images, the lesser the points that you are going to use. So let's go down to, let's say 1. And then I'm going to just go ahead and create it here. What will happen is that OpenArt is going to create our image for us. So I'll go ahead and copy this second prompt like this. And then after I copy this second prompt, this is a secret of our commerce. Make sure you are following step by step. I've gone ahead and I've created the other ones, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So one thing that I want you to take note of is that you need to come here and then you make sure you are taking 9:16. If you are creating short videos, like short form videos for YouTube Short, Instagram, TikTok, but if you are creating a long video for YouTube, then you can go ahead and take this one that says 16:9. I'm just going to do 9:16. So now this is our first image that we have created. And then what we are going to do is that you take this as a reference to create the next one. So when you come here, you see where it says create, you make sure you click on create. And then you come here, you see where it says upload photo. You go ahead and click on this. Now, you just go ahead and pick your image, the one that you want to use. So this is the image we want to use. I've clicked on it and then it has brought it here. This is the image we just created. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete all of this that we have here, and I'll paste now my second prompt. Remember, this is prompt number 2. The reason why you are doing this is because you want it to be a smooth transition, right? It's going to leave from this old one, and then it's going to create another image where people are walking. So this is going to be like a reference. So now that we've done this, we go ahead and also create. So OpenArt is going to create our second image for us. So what you are going to do now is to do exactly the same thing. So go and copy the third prompt, When you copy the third prompt, you come and you delete this image that is here. And now you are going to upload. You are going to click on this new image that has just been formed. That is going to be the second image, because we are going to leave from 1, 2, and then, so this is the second one. Now you see how people are inside constructing, right? So this is the second image. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to delete this. Then we are also going to take out this prompt. Now, the image that we are going to upload here is going to be this image where people are working now. So when you do that, you go ahead and then copy your third prompt. You copy this other third prompt like this. You go ahead and copy this third prompt and then come and paste it here. So continue and do all, and then do the last 2 prompts. So I've done everything, and this is our final prompt. So you can see how our kitchen looks. So beautiful. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to transform all these images into video. So go back to Open Art here and then click on this one that says video. Click on this one that says video. So when you come to video, what I want you to do, come here, you see where we have this model. There are so many different ones here. You have clean, you have so many different ones. So you make sure you are taking this one that says VO 3.1. So that's the one we are going to use. Click on it, and then it's going to appear right here. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to put 2 frames together. So I've already gone ahead and I've done one. So I'm going to do the next one now so we can see. Now I'll delete this from here, and now I'll put this other image here. So you make sure that this is the start. So you have the start and the end. So you put image number 1 right here, and then put image number 2 right here. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, and then you generate it. Then after that, you delete image number 1, you delete image number 2, and now here you are going to put image number 2 and then put image number 3. You do exactly the same thing throughout. So let's go ahead. Now I'm going to be doing the third frame. So I'll delete this. So I'll come here. I've just downloaded it to make it easier for me. So I'm going to go now to the third image, and I'm going to upload it here, because now I want to create the third scene. So it looks as if it's a little bit complicated, but overcomers, when you do it once, this is a business that you can hold on to and make money on the online space in so many different ways. And I'm going to be telling you the different ways that you can use to make money with it. So we have our third image here. Now we are going to also go and upload the fourth image, and then I'm just going to upload it like this. So the fourth image is here. What are we going to do? We are going to go back now to ChatGPT. So we are going to go now to ChatGPT, because it's a transition between the third and the fourth. We are going to come here and then copy this. So when you are doing the first and the second, you copy the first. Then after that, you copy this. Then you copy this as the last one here. I'll now come here. I'll change this text. Now I'm going to go ahead and create the video. So it's in the queue now. So it also just depends on the time when you are making your videos. Things like this, if you can do it late in the night, it's better. So because at this time, when many people are using it, it also affects, it slows down everything. But if it's in the night, it's easier to generate. Okay, our third video is ready. Look at how amazing this is. They are putting everything, bringing in a fridge, putting on the light. It's just so amazing. And we just did this with AI. So I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to delete this. And then I'll allow this one. I'll upload a new. So I'll upload this, and then I'm just going to change this and just put something like zoom out, just because I want to create another image that is going to make it to zoom out and look attractive. I like to do that, and I don't need to put anything here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and generate. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and download all our videos. While waiting for this to finish, so you can see how it's zooming out. It makes it look so attractive. So I'm going to go ahead and download it now. So I've downloaded all our videos. I can now close the ChatGPT. So this folder that I created, I'm just going to put all the videos inside again, just to organize my work. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now at this point, you can use any editing tool. I'm going to go ahead and use Canva, because it's easier to use Canva with things like this. Or you can use CapCut, any tool that you are using. I'm just going to come here and type YouTube short. So I'll type YouTube short, and then I'm going to customize it here like this. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete what we have here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and bring all my videos here. I'm just going to pull them in like this, 3, 4. Now, the only thing you have to do now is to organize everything from start to finish. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just stretching it out and then making sure that I'm putting it in the middle. Then you play it and then just see how it plays. So this is going to be the last. So I'm going to bring it at the end. So now that you have everything set, you just come here, you click on it. You can come here, go to animation. Now it already has sounds. You can change the sound if you want to. You can reduce it. These are all the things here that you can do. And then you can color grade it. You can change the color if you want it to look more brighter. Then now I like to use this one that says animate. And then come here. But make sure that you don't put too much animation so that it seems so seamless. It flows naturally. And then you can go ahead and just try them and see which one looks best for you. Then you just go ahead and put it in between them like this. And then you just arrange them here. Now that you've done everything, you can go ahead and put any sound that you like. And you can just come here on Canva where you have audio and change the sound if you don't like the sound that AI gave you. But just make sure that it matches the beat, it matches everything. And then let's go ahead and watch the video now that we have made. So Vakoma, now that we have done this, how do you make money with this? There are just so many different ways that you can make money. I'm going to put a document down below where you can go ahead and see all the different ways that you can make money. Some of them that I can easily tell you is 1, affiliate marketing. So you see these things that you have made in your video, right? You have all these chairs, you have these different things. You can go to Amazon. I've shown you so many videos on the channel how to do affiliate marketing. Now you can take all these different chairs, all these different things, and then you use them as your affiliate products. You make sure that the image that you are getting, you make sure that the product that you are getting from Amazon is exactly the same like this. So you can post these things on TikTok, Instagram, and then put your affiliate marketing products there. That's one way. A second way that you can do this, many people who already do construction, they use this to make money, right? You can also create these things and sell them to construction companies. Many people who are constructive people who do construction, they don't know how to do these designs. So you can design it for them and overcome it. Those are just few ways. I'm going to put many different ways in the description box down below. So if you are starting on your financial journey, I've written this book and right now it is a best-selling book. It's called The Money Start. Go ahead and check it out on Amazon. It's going to be transformational. So go ahead and check it out and I wish you all the best on your journey. You can go ahead and watch this other video that is going to show you another way that you can start making money on the online space. But the one thing that I'm going to tell you is that focus on something. When you've already mastered it, you start making money before you do other businesses. Don't get overwhelmed with so many businesses on the online space. Anyone that you do overcome is going to make you money. You just have to be a diligent, a prudent person and focus on one and make sure that you are able to get results. If you have any question, go ahead and put in the comment section down below. If you've not yet liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and become a part of the channel. Now, I'm going to become more consistent on the channel. Remember, I told you guys that I was publishing this book, I was writing this book, and so it made me to really slow down on the channel a little bit. But now I am back. And God willing, I'm here to support you on your journey. So I'm going to see you in that video. Love you all so much.